'69 RS Camaro. Local gentleman owns it. Had another place do an LS swap on it with the LS3. And to try to keep it more original looking, I guess was maybe the goal. Went with a carburetor style intake. This slick, fast, easy EFI system. And it ran pretty good, but it was just kind of violent to drive. You mashed the throttle and it just wanted to whip the RPMs. There wasn't really any tunability with it from what he had. So he came to me and I was like, man, let's just put some GM stuff back on there. I got full tunability of that. We can make it do what we want to. So we ordered up an intake, got all the stuff from PSI to put the GM controller and all back on there. Regular Corvette LS3 intake. Made this nifty little intake tube. Got everything on there. And I mounted the computer and the OBD port in the car. One thing that really drives me crazy when people do these swaps, they leave the OBD port out here under the fender well. As a tuner, I need it in the car where I'm at. Can't run my cable on my laptop out here and be in the car driving. So I always try to put that in the car. So there, all the computer, everything's nice, dry, hid in the car under the dash. Nice clean looking intake, way better drivability. Just hop in, it fires right up. Throttle isn't violent. So before with the FAST, made great power, 465, 480 foot-pounds. The fueling, it was a little wonky, got rich, hit target, got rich again. So with my stuff, well, GM stuff, made more power, ton more torque, fueling's a lot more friendly. Nice clean fuel sweep across there. More power, better fueling, better drivability. The FAST stuff is nice, but I think it's more geared for hot rod, drag car. Get in, mash on it, not enjoy it, go get ice cream. Still make a good power. So, if you want your car tuned,